Hi everyone. So good evening everyone. So coming to the today's class, I'm discussing about JavaScript the concepts. So coming to the previous class, I discussed about the JavaScript some concepts. Let me try to continue the JavaScript concepts and let me try to finish that appropriate JavaScript concepts in today's class. And coming to Monday or Tuesday onwards, we'll start the LWC classes. Okay, from starting installation from basic to intermediate level, advanced level, like whatever I discussed in my previous classes. Okay, the same thing it will be continued. And Preeti, after completion of the class, I will share the previous recording which has been available under the YouTube, Preeti. Okay,
Yeah.
previous two
Okay.
classes. Yes.
Okay.
Okay, my screen is been sharing. Is my screen is visible to everyone?
Yes, Venkat.
Okay, so
Yes.
coming to the previous class under the JavaScript, I discussed about okay whatever I discussed about variables, data types, string interpolation methods, string methods. Okay, some of the concepts which I had been demonstrated in my previous class. Let me try to continue some other concepts in today's class, like array methods. Okay, so there are different types of array methods have been available. There are many methods have been available. Okay, we need some of the methods which have been helpful for your LWC. Okay, they are map, okay, filter, for each, and sort. Okay, let us see each and every method. So first of all, let's see the map. Okay, for example, if we have multiple elements, okay, if we have multiple elements to iterate that particular data, for example, in the contact object, we have so many number of records are available. Okay, like to iterate that appropriate contact records and to display that particular contact records, whatever it may be. Like we'll use a map or a for each loop to iterate multiple records. Okay, multiple records. Let us see. Let us see with some examples. Map for each and everything. Let us take with some examples. Why it is not erasing? Control A. Or let me try to create another file. Script1.js. Under the my third file, I am placing script1. Okay, so you need to click on go live to open this information. In case if it takes, try to close all the browsers. Okay, no worries. Let me try to see. Yeah, it has been opened. So I'm using with map. Okay, the syntax. Okay, syntax of map. First of all, the syntax of map, how the array dot method name, current item, index, actual array. Just this is the syntax. Okay, this is the syntax. Okay, which is nothing but array dot method name. Let me try to create some array. 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 10. I created some array. Okay, I'm iterating this particular array, whatever it may be, and I'm storing the new value inside the new array. Array dot map. I'm using map. Okay, I'm taking the current item. Current item is nothing but 2. Index and actual array. Actual array is nothing but whole array. Whole the data, whatever it is available. Okay, I'm printing the data. Console.log. Current item is nothing but 2. Okay, index is nothing but starting with 0. Okay, actual array is nothing but whole array, whatever it may be, it is available. Console.log of. Okay, index. Okay, I'm mentioning the actual array like this. Okay, like I'm multiplying each value with 2. Okay, 2 star to 4, 3 star to 6, 5 star to 10, 7 star to 14. Like this, I'm multiplying each and every current item with 2. Return current item into 2. Okay, immediately I'm printing the new value. Console.log of the array which is previously available, and also I'm printing the new array. Okay, what is the new array we'll get? What is the new array we'll get? Like 2 star to 4, 6, 10, 14, 16, 20. This is the output we'll get. Okay, and the actual array is this is the output: 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 10. Like it is iterating by using map. It is iterating. First of all, let us go with first item. After completion of that, again second item. Okay, it is written 3 star to 6, 5 star to 10. Like this, it is used to iterate each and every map as like a for loop. Yeah, everyone know about for loop in development? Everyone know for loop in the development? Am I audible to
Yes,
everyone? I'm not getting any response.
yes, Venkat.
Okay, so it's like a for loop. Okay, it is used to iterate. You can see the output. You can try to click on inspect, go to the console, see 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, see updated 4, 6, 10, 14, 20. This is the thing. Yeah. Anyone have any doubts on this? Don't worry. So again, we just you learn the concept. That's it. Okay. In future, like in LWC, we learn so many things. Okay. Yes. Prashant, are you able to understand?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay. And what about Preeti? Okay. In the similarly, so we have a for each loop. Okay. So we have a for each loop. For each loop is also used to iterate the data. The same. Okay. You can use either for each loop, either you can use map. Updated data I'm storing in the result. Okay. I'm using numbers dot for each. The syntax element comma, this is the syntax index comma array. Element is nothing but first element, index is 0th, array is nothing but total entire array. Okay, entire array. Like I'm adding. Okay, I'm adding each number with plus 1. Okay, like element is equal to element plus 1. I'm adding the result. I'm pushing the element to the result, whatever it may be. Whatever the result we got, I'm pushing. What is the updated output here? Anyone? Prashant, what is the updated output here? Console.log of.
It's 2, 3, 4.
Yes, yes. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. Yes. Yeah. See, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3. The updated data. 2, 3, 4 is updated data. 1, 2, 3 is actual. Okay. And another thing is a filter. Okay, filter. Okay, filter is nothing but it is used to filter the data. Okay, filter the data and it is used to print updated data. Okay, array is equal to Okay, I'm storing the filtered values. So from this 23579, I'm filtering the data which is greater than 5. Okay, and I'm printing that particular filtered values inside new array, whatever it may be. Array dot filter function of current item index actual array. Okay, we are returning the data where the current item is greater than 5. Okay, what is the output we'll get? Okay, greater than 5 means we'll get as like a 7, 9, 10. Okay, we'll get the output as a 7, 9, 10. Okay, you can able to observe. See, 7, 8, 10 because there are three values which are greater than 5. I am printing the filtered values written greater than 5. 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 10. Oh, why it is getting? Yeah. Immediately we are getting the data which are greater than, we are getting the data which is greater than 5. And another example is sort. Sort is nothing but it is used to sort the data in ascending order. 10, 39, 12, 80, 54. Okay, it is used to sort the data in ascending order. Okay, LET. Okay, I'm sorting the data in ascending order. Okay, so if it's a minus b, okay, it will be sorted in ascending order. For example, if it's a b minus a, it is being sorted in descending order. Okay, a minus b in terms 10 minus 39. We are getting negative value or positive value, Prashant? 10 minus 39. We are getting negative value or positive value.
Negative
10
value.
minus negative value means we are not sorting. 39 minus 12, negative value or positive value.
Positive value.
We are sorting. If we got positive value, we are sorting. If we got negative value, we are not sorting. Okay. 39 minus 80, negative value or positive value? Negative value.
Negative
Okay,
value.
means we are not sorting. 80 minus 54, negative value or positive value?
Positive
Positive
value.
value. Then we are sorting. Just I'm saying normally. Okay. The same output will be printed here. Console.log of C. The same output, it will be printed on the screen. And we discussed about sort method. Yeah, I hope it's fine. Okay, like filter method for each, filter for each. I hope it's fine. Okay, map filter for each sort. It's fine. Okay, it's enough. There we have some other things, some more things, but it's not needed. It's fine for LWC purpose. Even for project in interviews, they will not ask these questions. Okay, let me try to explain about promises. Promises are nothing but it is used to handle asynchronous operations. In interviews, sometimes they will ask you what is promises. Okay, it is used to handle asynchronous operations. After completion of the execution, either it is uh, either it is fetching the data or error. It displays the information. Okay, for example, we are fetching that in future classes. We'll take some examples also. For example, we are fetching the data from like Salesforce org. Okay, we are fetching the data from Salesforce org. Like for example, if the data is presented inside the contact object, the data will be retrieved. For example, if there is no data, immediately it is used to show some error. Okay, like the data is not been presented like that. Okay, just normally I'm been making you think in like normal in future classes. Let me try to explain some more other things, whatever it may be related to the promises. Let me try to give some example. Okay, there are different types of methods are available under the promises. Okay, like promise dot all in interviews or whatever it may be. Okay, only so we use promise dot all in projects also. Will not use any other methods. Okay, so we have promise dot any and we have promise dot raise. Okay, like promise dot all, it is easy to return. It returns all the, it prints all the values. Okay, whether it is a failure or success, whatever it may be, it returns all the data. Okay, and it returns any of the data. Okay, it returns any of the past data. It returns first record which has been available. First record which has been available. Okay, just normally I'm been explaining. Okay, mainly when we can use different types of use cases, like fetching the data from server, like loading the files from system, like this. Okay, there are different types of use cases, like we'll see. Okay, like we'll fetch the data from the server in terms like in the Salesforce server. Okay, like in future, like normally when I'm teaching LWC, then I use it to continue these promises. Okay, I'll continue these promises, then you can able to understand some more other things and promises. Everyone able to understand what is promise? Just normally I did not teach a practical example.
Okay.
Someone left and joined. Okay, just normally I've been illustrating with some examples, a common small example. Okay, like function, example, promise. Okay, return new promise. Okay, we have two states, I told you, resolve as well as a reject state. We have two states which are nothing but resolve as well as a reject state. For example, if the value is presented, okay, whatever the things, if the value is presented, then it should be resolved. It should print that promise resolved successfully. For example, if the data is there, then it is used to the promise is used to be resolved successfully. For example, if the data is not there, then else condition will be going to be occur. Okay, then reject. Okay, let me try to mention. Okay, for example, if the information is just I'm passing the true. Means if the promise is true, it is used to resolve successfully. Then it is used to return the result. Otherwise, for example, if it's error, immediately catch method is used to accept the error. and it will fails the issue, whatever it may be. It will print the error, whatever it may be presented. Okay. Don't worry, just normally I written some code. Okay. Once practice it. Okay. Don't buy it. Once practice after completion of the class. Let me try to execute. You can able to see. See. So because we passed resolved, that's why the promise has been resolved successfully. For example, if it's a fail, for example, if you pass it false, immediately it will that the promise rejected successful, something like that. It is not showing. Okay, for example, if its information is exactly correct, whatever it may be, it is used to show. Yeah, like for example, if the information has been successfully done, okay, immediately it is used to show the promise resolved successfully that particular resolved information. Okay, for example, if it is a rejected, okay, for example, if it is rejected, if there is an errors, immediately it is used to show the errors. Okay, for example, if there is an errors here in my code, there is no errors. Like in when I'm teaching LWC, then you can able to understand. I'll demonstrate this. At least still here, everyone able to understand. Just I'm passing true method. Still here, everyone able to understand some information about promises?
Yeah, Venkat, but it is little bit confusing.
Yeah, I'll tell you. You know asynchronous operation like batch apex, whatever I deal.
Yeah, Venkat.
It's like an asynchronous operations. Okay, whenever if you want to, okay, like whenever, like when I'm discussing apex class in LWC, you can get somewhat understanding. Here normally I'm discussing the main agenda in JavaScript. Okay, just we have two states. Whenever if you want to handle asynchronous operations, whenever if you want for here in LWC, how we can demonstrate it, I'll tell you. Okay, so we'll retrieve the records. Okay, from the apex class. Like either account records, like insurance records, whatever it may be. After retrieving the records, for example, if the records is available, okay, the records will be displayed. For example, if the records is not displayed, we got errors whenever we are retrieving. Whatever the error we got, that particular error, it will be displayed under the Salesforce org. You got my point, Manasa?
Yeah, Venkat.
Okay, on that particular scenario. Yeah, because I want to demonstrate some a little bit, then I had been given a glance. Yeah, you'll get understanding in LWC. Prashant, are you able to understand this concept?
Okay, little bit.
Yeah, promise is difficult. What about array methods? Array methods.
Okay, RMS is okay.
Promise you can understand in LWC. Just I'm giving some glance. That's it.
Okay.
Okay, I'm giving some glance in LWC. You can understand some more. Okay, not some more everything. Yeah, in related to promises. And what we have other things, uh, and these things. Query selector and query selector all. Even this concept also been covered. Just normal I've been explaining. Okay, again it will be covered in LWC. You can able. Then when I'm teaching again the second time, it's very easy for you. Yeah. Okay, just I'm creating some. Hello everyone. And also again I'm teaching div. Just I'm been mentioning the div tags with some information. Okay, like here I'm applying some stylings through JavaScript. So we have two things. One is a query selector and query selector all. Query selector all represent all the tags. Okay, for example, if you applied some styling to div tag, only the first div tag it will be applied. For example, if you want to apply styling to all the tags, then we can use query selector all. Query selector all will be applied to all the tags, but query selector is used to apply the first tag. You got my point, everyone?
Yes, Venkat.
Yes.
Okay, here we'll use a document dot query selector. In LWC, we'll use this dot template dot query selector. Okay, if you mention query selector, only it will be applied to the first tag. The red color will be applied to the first. You can able to see the output. Even it is, but normally it's not applying. Let's see why. Document dot, it will apply red color to this hello everyone. Element dot style is equal to red. Why it is not applying? Oh, everything is correct. Script 1.js. Yeah, everyone able to see? For the first div tag, I had been applied some color.
Yes, Venkat.
Yes.
Yeah, for example, if it's a query selector, it will be applied to all the div tags. Okay, if it's a query selector, it will be applied to all the div tags. Okay, if it's in all the div tags, we need to use array to store all the data because we don't have a single div tag. Okay, we are applying some style. Okay, immediately for green, it has been applying green. Okay, it has been applied green to the data. Okay, for each and every data, it has been applied as a green. You can able to see. See, everyone able to see?
Yeah, Venkat.
Okay, like my agenda is I need to apply in between red. Let us see. Okay, for this div dot abc. Let us see whether it is applied or not. No, it is not applying. Dot abc. I think I need to. Yes, everyone able to see? It is applied red color.
Yes,
Yes.
Venkat.
If you want to apply individual elements like this, dot abc dot, just some annotation you need to mention. Yeah, but to do this we have css, but normal I'm explaining. This is one of the concept. Yeah, in LWC we'll use this dot template dot query selector, but here we'll use
But here
document
we
dot
have
query selector
to,
in JavaScript. Hmm?
yeah, But here we have to apply only element, right?
Yeah, here in LWC it's different.
First,
So in in JavaScript in it's different. In LWC will is this dot template dot query selector. Okay, and in the similar way this dot template dot query selector all. Here normally it's different in LWC as comparing to JavaScript. Some things. Still here everything is clear.
Yes.
yeah, Venkat.
And another most important concept, it is been mostly covered in each and everything in LWC events. Events is nothing but, for example, if you triggered any action, okay, for example, if you trigger any action onto the HTML, immediately JavaScript will receive that action. Okay, will receive that action, whatever you done, immediately it will throw some error. Okay, error in terms, sorry, some output, whatever it may be. For example, if you clicked the button, whenever you clicked the button, immediately some function need to be called inside the JavaScript. I need to define. Okay, so by using events, let us make an interaction in between the HTML to JavaScript. Let us check it. So here I'm creating some button. There are different types of events like on click. In LWC also the same events. On click, on mouse. Means if you place it the mouse, immediately there some action will be triggered. Okay, for example, if you typed something input box, immediately that particular data will be taken to JavaScript. You can understand. In future LWC class, I'll discuss everything. On key up. Okay, on change. Okay, let us see. Mostly whenever if you are using buttons, you can use on click. Okay. Okay, whenever if you click this button on click, I need to call my function. Okay, on click of this, immediately I need to call my function. I'll define my function. Okay, whenever if you click this, immediately I'm calling my function. Console dot or I'm printing some alert message. Hi, how are you? Okay, I'm printing some alert message. Whenever if you click this particular button, whenever if you click this particular button, immediately, okay, this thing I'm clicking. It is not doing any action. Let me try to mention console.log. If you click on inspect it, oh, if we clicked on this click me, immediately I need to get some data. Let us check. Is my voice is audible to everyone?
Yes, Venkat.
Prashant left. Okay, let's continue. We have some things are there. I need to mention. I need to mention the function. The syntax is wrong. Okay, I mentioned as like an LWC. In JavaScript, it's not like this. That's why it is not triggering. My function is not defined, they're saying. Copy this. On click of this, my name is not defined. Why it is showing this error? They are saying that whenever I'm clicking this particular button, on click is not defined. They're saying. Oh God, what happening? Okay, no worries. Let me try to analyze on click calling another function, first function. Yes. Are you able to see the message,
Yeah,
Manasa?
Venkat. Yes, yes.
Like this. Okay, like this. Means whenever if you performed some action, okay, some action need to be triggered. Let me try to mention some more other things. Just I'm creating some box. Okay, I'm creating another thing. Whenever if you hover this, immediately you'll get on click of this. Immediately clicked message, click me. On click of this. It's a box two and another is a box. Okay, let us see. Let us define the functions. Okay, whenever if you perform some handle click, okay, immediately handle click. I am changing the background immediate element dot style dot background color will be changed to light green, and also inner HTML, whatever the inner HTML, it will be changed to clicked. Previously it should be click me, immediately it will be changed to clicked. And also handle mouse over. Immediately the background color will be changed to light pink when you hovered. And also inner HTML, it is changed, the inner HTML is equal to mouse over. Okay, you can able to see the output. Okay, see, just I place in my mouse. Okay, you can able to see. Just I place in my house. See, Manas, are you able to
Yeah,
see?
yeah,
If I
yeah,
clicked
Venkat.
here, see it is modifying to clicked with
Green.
background color green. Means whenever you are performing some action under the HTML, it will be triggered to JavaScript based on this. Okay, LWC. Any doubts? Any doubts on this?
No, Venkat. And these all methods can be useful in LWC, right?
Definitely 100% it will be useful. Without this, we cannot. Every program we have these methods. Every LWC components we have these methods on click on mouse over different methods.
Okay.
Yeah, in every component from beginning to ending. Yeah, you can observe
Okay.
how much it is important. How much it is important. Okay, beginning to ending. Yeah. Hi to file Khan. Hi, am I audible? Hello, to file. Am I audible?
Hi, sir.
Hi, Tofile. Yeah, so we are continuing the class in LWC. This is our last demo. Okay, like past two
Okay.
classes happened. I think you joined previously, or this is your first class.
This is my first class.
Okay, like you have some awareness in Salesforce admin and development, some basics.
Yeah, I completed admin with the help of my friend.
Okay, and development.
I don't know about development. That's
Okay,
why
no
I
worries.
joined the group in. Yeah.
Okay, no worries. Let's guide you, Tofile. No worries. Please provide your contact. I think if you have my contact, means once message me, or please provide your contact. Okay, our team will contact you. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Okay, and another thing is, let me try to explain with another concept, which is nothing but arrow functions. Okay, arrow functions. Arrow functions is nothing but it is used to reduce the code. Okay, it reduces the code. Okay, for example, if you want to define, okay, normally if you want to add two numbers, how we can define in the JavaScript function sum, okay, like data 1 comma data 2, like this. Okay, data 3 is equal to data 1 plus data 2 console.log of data 3 means we are passing output from another sum of 10 comma 20. Okay, this is the thing. If you want to reduce the code, normally we will not use the reduced architecture, this thing only. If you want to reduce the code by using arrow const with one line, data 1 plus, just I'm reducing my code. Okay, here what I'm doing, Manasa, here I'm reducing my code because sum I had been used. It is throwing some error. Const add is equal to, okay, just I taken two parameters data 1 comma data 2, then I'm adding the data. Okay, you can able to see. No, there is none. Okay, both are same. Okay, same logic, but both are same logic. And also let me try to mention 20 only. Both are same logic, just I reduced my code. Yeah, what's the difference between both, Manasa?
Venkat, here we are reducing the code and the values are different. Now you have changed, right?
Yes,
Can
yes,
see.
values are different. Okay, This is the thing. Just I'm reducing the code architecture. That's it. Okay, this is the thing. And let me try to mention other things. Set timeout and set interval. Set timeout and set interval. Okay, I'll tell you set timeout and set interval. Set timeout is nothing but after expiration of time, after completing the time, whatever you given, the information will be executed. Set interval is nothing but in between the, for example, if you mention 1000 milliseconds, in between the 1000 milliseconds, so many times, whatever you given the console.log statement will be executed. Some timeout after completion of the 1000 seconds only, it will be executed. Okay, in LWC, will use set timeout only. Yeah, you can see. I'm mentioning set interval. Sorry, set timeout. Okay, after completion of the thing only. Okay, after completion of the 1000 milliseconds, or I'm mentioning 5000. Okay, after completion of the 5000 milliseconds only, console.log will be executed. Okay, in between this 5000 milliseconds, so many times. Okay, in between the 5000 milliseconds, so many times set interval hello will be executed. You can control
Okay.
us. It may take some time. Wait. See, after completion of the 5000 milliseconds, one time it is executed. If it's a set interval, you can able to see in between the 5000 milliseconds, so many times it is executed. Definitely, we cannot estimate how much time. See, third, four, five, whatever it may be.
Um, yes.
See, 10 times. This is the thing. Okay, this is the thing. Any doubts, Manasa and Prashant, on the concepts, whatever we completed on the JavaScript and HTML, CSS? Any doubts?
No, Venkat.
Need practice, I can understand. Needs practice. Okay. So everyone please practice all the things whatever which I had been taught. Okay. The recording will be shared in the drive as soon. This is about today's class, Manasa, and let us and advance happy new year and within 2 days. Yeah, advance happy new year.